The people where my umbilical cord was buried in our mother tongue.
Do it.
Kisi County, Ninga Lilia Nanyango Gor. I tell Kisi County, Tamod the Koni. I serve the county assembly Makisi as a nominated
Celebrating our party leader, Deputy Party Leader Simbarati.
One gay what? Simbarati.
Come on.
Look at Mumi and my vice chairman. You will for sure. Deputy party leader is a very important document.
Yes.
One name is a very important assignment for me. One ban. One probably all the support that is necessary.
Yes.
The people
I have 2,000 shekels for you. Now speak. She lost the 2,000 shillings. Yeah? And I know she needs to have accommodation. So, nevertheless, finally, Your Excellency, allow me to invite the national chair for PDP, the Honorable Jeremiah Ogeri, to give you a congratulatory message. And then I will give the program to
Good evening. Good evening.
For attending the store. This is our deputy party leader. Initially, I've been joking with my colleagues here that in terms of politics from Kisii County, I was the senior most, being the vice chair. But today, I've seen you have gone higher the rank, and now you are the deputy party leader. So that nimekubali ya kwamba niko chini yako.
Hey, wow.
So in the rank, I wish you the very best. Mimi nakutakia mema. Asante sana. Asante sana, the Honorable Ogeri. Your Excellency, I don't want to do only that. I was done a very clear-cut responsibility I was given. With this humility now, I want to invite the leader of majority party to proceed from here and identify other leadership that is present in this house. Thank you so much, Leader Karishan.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Party Leader ODM, is also the Governor of Kisii County. His Excellency James Orengo, Mr. Speaker, na wageni wengine na waheshimiwa na wasalimu mjambo.
Tujambo.
I also don't want to take a long time. I just want to invite my colleagues. Your Excellency Orengo, we have invited the leader of majority Siaya County and the president. I request you to come so that you say hi. So that your governor knows you.
Celebrating our governor. The only king from Kisii land.
Excellencies, the Deputy Party Leader ODM, my governor, my fellow majority leaders from various county assemblies, members of county assemblies present. First Lady I also saw here. Good evening all. Good evening once more. My name is Haydn Martin. I come from Siaya. I represent a ward called Ugunja Ward, the majority leader in Siaya County Assembly. I'm also humbled to be here with you today. I got the invitation very late in the evening through him, and I was also attended my events for the weekends, as we are all aware. So I have to cut it short and deal with people. I want to congratulate the Governor Simbarati. You remember we had come to your place.
The only king we have.
One time. And we've gotten this position because of the loyalty and hard work you show.
Yes.
Mine is just to wish you well, that you propel our party to the next level. A lot of trust is with you. A majority of all their members are with you. So we know you will not disappoint us. just keep it up. My able governor from Shire, Honorable His Excellency Joyce Orengo, is also the person of our party in the region. He's also prophetic so well. I know when you're tight, when you're together, the ODM party will reach where we want it to be and where our people expect it to be. Lastly, my fellow colleagues, I'm happy of having in the county assembly of Kisii a number of parties are represented in the county assembly. That is a plus, that is democracy, that is what we encourage. But next time I know with the able energies of the governor, all of you next time I know my name will be
Celebrating the one I'm not looking for. It's the land.
Our deputy party leader,
Party leader.
I know it's together with our government. We'll arrange and we'll make a visit to these other parts of the county so that we come, we sell our party together, so that when it comes to the next general election, I believe ODM will claim. Thank you.
Thank you so much. At this point, allow me to invite the leader majority Kisumu County to welcome us to Kisumu. Mheshimiwa Ken, karibu sana.
Tunatuambia tunatoa sisi tunatufinyia.
Thank you.
Kwani si unatuambia?
His Excellency,
Sisi tunatufinyia.
the Governor of Kisii, Kibarati,
Ndio. Sawa.
our new Deputy Party Leader, His Excellency
Akwenda management jechi beta kama namemwambia tena maisha Mana moja? Ada video. Karanya yo magongo wakili.
Let's appreciate the people of Luna Entertainment. A lot of applause. Thank you very much. Your Excellency Simbarati, the Governor of Kisi, and also the Deputy President of ODM. Your Excellency James Andrew
Rengo. Governor Siaya.
Governor for Siaya. Our leaders of majorities from Siaya. We have the majority from Migori, the majority from Kisumu and Homa Bay. want to welcome you.
So we are
We also have
counting
the
kama five.
speaker, we have the clerk of Kisii County Assembly, His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Kisii, who is the newest Deputy Governor in the country,
Elijah Babel.
member of the ODM party. And all the leaders from Kisii. We have over 50 MCAs from Kisii here, and we wanted to appreciate the ODM party for recognizing our governor, His Excellency Paul Simbarati. And I want to run the mic because my name is Jacob Barongo. I am the Secretary General for UPA. I want to give God as the mic. But I have been acting as the MC, as a Deputy Speaker for Kisii County. I want now to welcome Amos Oderi, who is a member of ODM. He will take us through. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, the Secretary General for UPA, for being a very good friend to ODM. I want to appreciate the role that you have played in the very beginning stages of this meeting. Your Excellency, the Governor Simbarati, Your Excellency, the Governor James Orengo, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor Elijah Opepo, the Speaker of the County Assembly, together with the clerk of President here, members of the County Assembly, led by the entire leadership of the House, which is present here, the leadership of our friends from our neighboring counties, Nyamira, Homa Bay,
Migori,
Siaya, Kisumu, that we will find an opportunity to say hi to us. I want to take this opportunity first and foremost, Your Excellency, to say that this is a surprise. I know you didn't expect this very particular one. I know you were coming to Kisumu City, you will meet one or two persons in Kisumu, but the organization has made it as a surprise because they wanted to plan for you. The same way you are also surprised in a number of activities, so we appreciate your appointment to the new position of the Deputy Party Leader. Your Excellency, I want to say that the jubilations you see in this room, it is an honor for the position that you have been given by the party. You may think that honor is just to you, but it is an honor to the people of this region, Nyanza as a whole, and Western Kenya, but it is also an honor to the people of Kisii for having, because for the first time in the history of this republic and the history of ODM, a party honorable James Orengo has been elected twice, the party ODM, that we are having that position of the Deputy Party Leader come to Kisii, and so we want to appreciate that. And I want to ask my colleagues that are happy. I know there were a lot of expectations, different people expected that position, but we are very happy that that position came to Kisii. Your Excellency, allow me at this point to say that despite that these are honorable members of the County Assembly, but I also want to mention that we have different political formations in this room, including the national chair for PDP, who is present here, and we want to wish you very well. So we want to recognize PDP as a such where you, together with your national chair. National chair, you should close where was Your Excellency, the national chair for PDP was telling me a few minutes ago that the only one in this room who is in the position of that is one. and that is very good. So PDP, together with your other constituents, we are taking, let's appreciate them by proud of applauding them. PDP, in the room. Thank you. I am seeing, raise up your hands, PDP. You're quite a number. Under the James Orengo, you can be able to see towards the end. We have quite a number of PDP in the room. Your Excellency, I also want to appreciate the presence of Jubilee Party, which is in the room here. Jubilee Party, please, can I see by show of hands? Let's clap for them. Honorable Koba here, I see Honorable Paradiso. Your Excellency, we also want to, in this presence, recognize the presence of Kenya Social Congress. There are quite a number of persons here. Yeah, Honorable Amos Mokai is there. Honorable Ibrahim Ogugu is there. Honorable Brenda Kengere is there. So we have quite a number of persons. We have a cocktail of parties in Kisii. unlike this part of the country where ODM is increasingly we have some cocktail parties, and so we appreciate the presence. Your Excellency, also, I want to appreciate and recognize the presence of UDA, a party in this room,
Ruling party.
which have now formed the broad-based government.
Ruling party.
So, UDA party together with their party whip, I saw the party whip for president. Their party whip Honorable Boss Mairura is present here. I saw Honorable Edina Omoka. I was making the highest relations. And I gave him a switch. Also another member from UDA. UDA, I'm seeing Honorable Ashira present here. Honorable
Ashira is
here. Honorable Celestine Wari is also present. Celestine Aduwari. The two we have like the twins. In fact, what twins? The two ladies. In medical terms, we have what we call zygotic twins. Zygotic twins, someone zygotic twins, twins which are very identical, and so the two of them almost like very
Siamese twins.
Despite that the Secretary General for UPA was present here, I now want to recognize UPA as a party with the leadership led by their Secretary General. UPA, where they Honorable John the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Nyamus, Namoita is present there, and I can also see some other hands on the back, including Honorable Damaris, Honorable your own MCA.
Sit on UP. Sambo. Sambo and
Sivanika is the housekeeping committee that was organizing these activities. We want to appreciate the presence here. Your Excellency, almost coming to the end. We have also Mandela Chapchap present in this house.
So when Mandela Chapchap?
Yeah. This is the chama cha Dr. Mtua. Mandela Chapchap is here. And we also have the only one,
Prince Sofa.
Usaga. Mandela Chapchap. Yeah, no, there are three.
There are three with Brenda. Brenda's
Brenda.
She's around and with it.
I'm not seeing her.
She just went out.
She was present here. Your Excellency, we have Kenya National Congress
Can see.
as a party, again forming the Kisii County Assembly.
Go.
Again, the Kenya National Congress, this instant, we appreciate your presence. Honorable William Dwari is present there. Honorable, there are quite a number.
Ni wengi?
Jamanson.
Kuma tu unakuanga Kenya. That's the job by the way. Did you unakuanga? Aliko gana isite pigi pati. Pati arali.
Round Constance Yagi present in this room. Finally, Your Excellency.
The big party, the role, the opposition party. Opposition party. Opposition party.
Wiper. ODM, the
Wiper. DAP Kenya ya Richmond hujataja. DAP Kenya ya Richmond.
DAP Kenya. Richmond.
Richmond ya party. Mention it.
DAP Kenya.
Hata hizi mention.
And a whip of his own.
Yes. Then, the presidents of which other party?
Wiper.
Democratic Movement. Yeah, Kalonzo Musyoka.
We have Rabera, Wakili.
No, Wiper. And our friends in Azimio. Our friends in Azimio, they're quite a number. You can see Wakili is there, and we also have Honorable. Yes. Coconut Kenya.
Umesema ni kama ulitoka ukaenda nyumbani.
It's also not a dominant party. Not a very dominant party, but it's also visible. Then we have the independent
Members.
Independent, which quite a number
Felix.
of members from independent party, led by the chairman, Honorable Felix.
Motume.
The vice chair, Honorable Motume.
Dede Zobari.
Motume ni vice chair.
Wamewataja tu. Kama si ni chair road. Ani trade.
Thomas Iwari is present. Yeah, Honorable Thomas Iwari is the secretary general of that party in their own formation. Finally, Your Excellency, I want to recognize the party that propelled you and most of us
The
to
opposition
power,
party.
including the Honorable James
Watu
Orengo,
wataninyonga hapa.
the party of the region, and the party of the day, and the party
The official opposition
that
party.
can only help the government to deliver its mandate.
The official
Yes.
The official opposition party.
The party of the region. We are also proud. And I want to ask my colleagues to salute. This is your day. Please, you know, how to do, you know, remember the ODM, you must do the salute to the commander.
Oh,
the party leader.
The commander, and we have the deputy party leader. You know how you salute to the commander? A wood. So members of ODM salute to the commander.
Vitu nawaambia
Thank
mnilipe.
you so much. But Your Excellency James Orengo, we Kisii contemplated at one time we will unite this region and largely one party with the leadership of Honorable Paul Simba Arati. With that in mind, Honorable Speaker, as you told me, allow me just to allow only about 2 or 3 persons as we had planned to say a word. And I will start with the member for ODM. I was thinking to our Honorable Fanis.
Okay.
Let's have a departure. Honorable Fanis, where are you? Please say a word. I wish we had 2 microphones. Niliona dance sana. Say a word to the president and the governor.
Thank you so much. So our governor, Governor Orengo, the leaders, and my colleagues from Kisii County Assembly. God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good and that's his nature.
Mine is very simple. It's to appreciate our able governor. It's all about loyalty and generosity that has brought us this far. Congratulations and kudos for this. For the ODM, entire ODM, we are so happy and humbled as Kisii at large for upping this special seat as a deputy party leader of ODM. Thank you. I also take this opportunity to appreciate our able First Lady. It's through you that our able governor is shining today. We are proud of you as Mama because you've come from behind. You are beside our able governor and we are moving ahead. Our able governor, we wish you well. Blessings, blessings. My name is Fanis Moranya Mbane, nominated by ODM party through our excellent able governor, Paul Simba Arati. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Fanis. I appreciate Your Excellency allow me to just ask the Honorable the party whip. We have so many whips. No many times we give the party whip, the whips. Allow me to give the party whip for UDA. Well, Honorable Boss, and by then, from the look of things, is coming toward the
Thank you,
Your Excellency, the Governor, the Deputy Party Leader now, the government, welcome. And one of the most elected people are the people of UDA. Unajua sasa kutakuwa na magumi. Lazima kazi ifanye nini? Ifanyike. We wish you well, we support you, and we are proud of you. Orengo, I'm your student in politics. I've always been following you. You were elected when you were 10 years. You are an encouragement to most young people who are also aspiring to be future, even more leaders than today. Wish you well.
Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa John Obat. You do not necessarily need to come here. I will give you a microphone. You just say a word. Just one word.
Asante sana. Your Excellencies.
Flip camera. Iko sawa.
Okay. That's fine.
Asante sana, Your Excellencies, the governors, Governor wetu Kibarati, pia Governor James Orengo kutoka Siaya, hawa spika, wageni ambao wameungana na sisi kutoka Kisumu pamoja na MCs wenzangu. Nataka niwasalimu hamjambo. Sina mengi, nataka nipongeze gavana wetu kwa kazi nzuri. Kazi ndiyo imefanya umepatiwa hiyo cheo. Kama sio kazi yako ile inaonekana, ndio sababu kwa ofisi tunasema Mheshimiwa Orengo na huko sisi hatumuiti Arati, tunamuita Etaya. Etaya maana yake lambu, na I think you know maana yake. Yeye akisimama hivi mwangaza inaonekana. Kwa hivyo ameonyesha mwangaza yake inaonekana huko ofisi, hata mpaka party leader wetu akaona huyu mtu anastahili. Kwa hivyo tukifika mwaka ujao tukienda 2027 tunataka aende, tunataka tumpatie
President.
Hii ni akifika 27 amalize, tukienda up to 32.
President.
Yeye atakuwa ni
President.
wa nchi yetu ya Kenya.
President.
Thank you so much. Your Excellency, the governor of this state has been in active politics 25 years. Na hajaitolewa hizo 25 kila wakati anachaguliwa. Na amekuwa ODM ya mwisho tu ndiye alitereza akaenda UPA.
Nimepata simu kuongea baadaye.
You'll come back to ODM. As I come to the conclusion, I want to let His Excellency James Orengo that we have one beautiful lady from your home here. She's also
Brilliant.
And recently tried to vie for the panel
in the house. James Orengo in the house.
By about 3 votes. She is in Kenyan National Congress.
Lilian Gore.
Many people did not know that she was in the race for the panel, for the commission, but she lost by 3 votes. But she's able.
Yeah, she's very able.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chair. It's a pleasure to be here. Allow me to greet the people where my umbilical cord was buried in our mother tongue.
Asante tuketi.
Ajelo Kisii County, Tamobe Lekoni. I serve the County Assembly Makisi as a nominated
Celebrate ya watatu linda, deputy linda Simbarati.
Wangi Rwa. Nilo Morisi Simbarati. Kama yani teach mutiyo. Look Mumi and my vice chairman. You will for sure. Deputy party leader is a very important docket.
Yes.
One name it's a very important assignment for me. One ban. Welcome all the support that is necessary.
Yes.
The people
I have 2,000 shekels for you. Now speak. She lost the 2,000 shillings. Yeah? And I know she needs to have accommodation. So, nevertheless, finally, Your Excellency, finally, allow me to invite the national chair for PDP, the Honorable Jeremiah Ogeri, to give you a congratulatory message. And then I will give the program to another person. of the Kilifi County Assembly and back. Our visitors who have come and who are
Chinese email.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Once more.
Good evening.
For attending and being restored. This is our deputy party leader. Initially, I've been joking with my colleagues here that in terms of politics from Kilifi County, I was the senior most, being the vice chair. But today, I've seen you have gone higher the rank, and now you are the deputy party leader. Sasa nimekubali ya kwamba niko chini yako.
Hey, wow.
So in the rank, I wish you the very best. Mimi nakutakia mema. Asante sana.
Asante sana, the Honorable Ongeri. Your Excellency, I don't want to do on that. I've done a very clear-cut responsibility I was given. With this humility now, I want to invite the leader of Majority Party to proceed from here and identify other leadership that is present in this house. To celebrate your victory. Thank you so much, Leader Karishan.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Party Leader ODM, is also the Governor of Kilifi County. His Excellency James Orengo, Mr. Speaker, na wageni wengine na waheshimiwa na wasalimu mjambo.
Tujambo.
I also don't want to take a long time. I just want to invite my colleagues. Your Excellency Orengo, we have invited the leader of Majority Siaya County and the President. I request you to come so that you say hi. So that your governor knows you.
Celebrating our governor. The only king from Kisiland.
Excellencies, the Deputy Party Leader ODM, my governor, my fellow majority leaders from various county assemblies, members of county assemblies present. First Lady also saw here. Good evening all. Good evening once more. My name is Haydn Martin. I come from Siaya. I represent a ward called Goja Ward, the majority leader in Siaya County Assembly. I'm also humbled to be here with you today. I got the invitation very late in the evening through him, and I was also attending my events for the weekends, as we are all aware. So I took cut it short and deal with people. I want to congratulate the Governor Sibarati. You remember we have come to your place.
The only king we have.
One time. And we've gotten this position because of the loyalty and hard work you show.
Yes.
Mine is just to wish you well, that you propel our party to the next level. A lot of trust is with you. A majority of all the members are with you. So we know you will not disappoint us. Just keep it up. My able governor from Siaya, Honorable His Excellency James Orengo, is also the patron of our party in the region. He's also propelled it so well. I know when you're tied, when you're together, the ODM party will reach where we want it to be and where our people expect it to be. Lastly, my fellow colleagues, I'm happy of having in the County Assembly of Kisii a number of parties are represented in and of the governor. All of you next time, I know.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. At this point, allow me to invite the leader majority Kisumu County to welcome us to Kisumu. Mheshimiwa Ken, karibu sana.
Tunatuambia tunatoa sisi tunatufinyia.
Thank you.
Kwani tunatuambia?
His Excellency,
Sisi tunatufinyia.
the Governor of Kilifi, His Excellency